guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a low side plank twist. For this exercise, we want our elbow directly under our shoulder. We have a nice wide base because we're going to be on our whole forearm. We want to either stack or stagger our feet with either foot in front. Our upper arm is going to be elevated, and then keeping the ground away, really keeping that hip up high, we are going to try to bring our upper torso towards the floor, then opening back up. So major work for the oblique as well as the shoulder. And if you want more workouts like this or more exercises like this in your workout program, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training.